Procrastinating is dangerous. You need to stop procrastinating. When your brain finds ways to delay what you need to be doing, you are becoming your own enemy. You become stressed and unhappy. And the worst part is that the task you need to do will still be there, but now you have less time to actually do it. Long streaks of procrastination lead to stagnation. You are not making any progress, and eventually this even turns into deterioration. Delay exercising and you will get out of shape. Postpone emails and messages and your relationships will worsen. Fool away time and in time you become the fool. You need to stop procrastinating. You procrastinate because the task you need to do seems unpleasant and you think that it will take a lot of effort. You already anticipate the suffering and boredom the task will cause you. But in most cases, the act of procrastination drains more energy than the task itself. We convince ourselves that now is not the best time to do something. So procrastination comes from a disparity between our present self and our future self. The future self wants to be in shape, but it's the present self that wants to eat fudgy chocolate brownies. Instead of putting in the effort for a long-term result, we resort to short-term gratification. This is because our brain tends to value immediate rewards higher than future rewards. But you need to realize, the present is where the future is made. Playing video games whenever you need to do something important might make you forget about the task and make you feel a little better. But this effect is only temporary. After playing your game, you will hit a new low, because the task you need to do is still there. In this moment, you can do two things. You can pick up another distraction, or you can do the thing you need to do. If you decide to fight your low with another distraction, you fall into a downward spiral. You are conditioning your mind to crave short-term gratifications, which is very comparable to any form of addiction. You need to break the cycle, and I'm sorry to break it to you, but you can only break the cycle by taking action. The only way out is by starting to work on the stuff you need to do. Here's how you can break the cycle. First, make the task easier to start. Write down the task you need to do. Break big tasks into smaller tasks. Prioritize the tasks in order of importance. And then pick an important task that seems the most doable or fun. You have now turned a task into something that's easily done and it takes you less than 10 minutes to do. And I can already hear you say it. Yeah, but whatever I need to do takes me more than 10 minutes. Shut up. I promise you, you will work more than 10 minutes. It's just that the most difficult part is the beginning. You need to get over that inflection point. 10 minutes in, and you'll become immersed in the task. Feel good about the progress you've made, and maybe even hit a state of flow. The hype that you're feeling even makes you want to pick up more unfinished tasks. And before you know it, you can cross off multiple items of your list. It's not even about being productive anymore. You're actually enjoying it. The second thing you need to do is to make it less attractive to do other stuff. So put your phone away or put it on airplane mode. And if you don't need internet, disable the Wi-Fi on your laptop or tablet. Screens are usually a big distraction, so maybe it's better to work with pen and paper instead. Also try to work in silence or put on headphones and tell people around you not to disturb you. Or put these people to good use and give them your controller, your TV remote, or even your network cable and instruct them to give it back to you once you finish your task. And if you still feel attracted to do other stuff, consider a method called time blocking. Create periods of uninterrupted work time. Commit to not looking at your phone, reading emails, or doing any kind of leisure. With all these tips, you're basically creating a Zen garden that allows you to focus. You are mindful and fully immersed in the task you need to do. It is as if you awakened the ninja inside you, and there's nothing else in the world except you and the task. And that's all you need to know. Now it's your turn. Close this YouTube video after you subscribe, Close all other apps until you see your wallpaper and start working on your tasks. Go do something useful. Or I will call your mom. I have her number and she's a lovely lady.